Hi, I'm Mike, founder of Canadian BBQ Boys. If you haven't cleaned your grill within the last 6 to 8 months, there's a good chance that rodents, animals like rats and mice have actually gotten into your barbecue and left their droppings behind. In fact, we find rodent droppings in about 75% of barbecues. Over the years, we've cleaned thousands of grills and we've seen it all. From things like grease and grime, to dead insects, rodent droppings, and even some cases, live rats and mice. We've heard stories about decks and even houses being burnt down because of grease fires that happened in the barbecue. Properly cleaning your barbecue will make sure that it's safe and sanitary to use, that it lasts as long as possible, and that you get optimal performance so that you can have an amazing grilling experience. So if you're interested in learning more, you can visit www.canadianbbqboys.com. There, you'll be able to request a quote and a sales rep will reach out to answer any questions you have and make sure to get you scheduled in to our next availability.